Sup guys, today I'm gonna show you how I magically make things appear like this. Okay, so here are the unedited clips. Now bring the clips to your editing software. The simple trick is to shoot two clips, for example, one with the mobile and one without. Try to keep them both in the exact position, so once you merge it, it doesn't look bad. Trim out the excess clip and match it. In my case, I cut the clip at the exact moment my palm opens and merge it with the clip where my phone appears. Once you're done with that, bring the clips together and check if it's in sync. If not, play around with it for some time until you get the desired result. So that's it for today. See you soon. This is Half-Life.